Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing with MAC Woodwinked eyeshadow. And I got the Pro Pan version of this at a CCO for $5. And this is a metallic golden brown is how I would describe this. So that is the basis of this eyeshadow today. Now you can use this as a one and done if you want to, but I'm gonna use a couple other eyeshadows with it today. So I've already primed my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and if you were wondering about some of the other products that I have on, I tried my MAC Myth lipstick that I bought recently from the new Macximal line. I tried using that with e.l.f. Mauve Aside as a base for it, and I love this combination. This lip liner goes with so many lipsticks. It's definitely my favorite one in the new e.l.f. Cream Glide liner lineup because yeah, you can use this with so many lipsticks. So I lined and filled in my lips with that and then put this over it. And that's what I have on my lips. And then my blush is MAC Glow Play Blush in Blush Please. And this was the blush that I picked as my favorite blush that I bought in 2024 because, again, this just goes with everything. And it's the same color family as that liner that I just showed you. It's like in the warm mauve situation. Okay, so those are like the key products. The rest of it is just, regular stuff that I do every single time. All right, so I'm looking for my brush. Here it is. You've seen it many times before. The brush that comes in the Urban Decay Naked palette that they just released recently. I love this brush. It's just so handy to have the shader brush on one side and the blending on the other. And they're just the right size too. I like that this is like smaller. So we're just gonna put this on. I'm having a blast doing this MAC series, but I don't know how long I should let it go on because I know that some people don't have any interest in MAC, but it is probably my all-time favorite makeup brand. I mean, I love lots of different brands, but yeah, some people just aren't into it. But I wanted to do this series because I thought, you know what, if it's my favorite makeup brand, then I bet there's other people out there that already have these shadows and maybe they haven't used them in the exact way that I use them. So why not? So after I finish this video, I'm going to go back and count how many of these I've done and try to assess how many I want to do. Oh, this goes on so nice, you guys. So soft and so blendable. MAC's eyeshadows go on beautiful, and if you have never tried them, at some point I think they reformulated them and didn't tell anybody because they are much better than they used to be when I first fell in love with this brand. So I think they did change the formula at some point because they apply so much easier. They seem to have more moisture to them. Now, it could be that, they're brand new eyeshadows and that's why they're applying that way, but I don't think so because I don't remember them being so easy to work with in the past. All right, so I've got Woodwinked on my lids. So what else am I going to do? In the crease and outer corner, I'm going to use Soft Brown. Soft Brown is a matte, light peachy brown, I would say. So it's got some warmth to it, just like Woodwinked does. We're going to flip this brush over and use the blending side. Soft brown is maybe the most versatile matte brown eyeshadow in their whole lineup. I mean, you can use this with so many eyeshadows because MAC has a very high concentration of warm single eyeshadows. They don't have a lot of cool toned shadows in the lineup. And I think that's because most people prefer warm toned eyeshadows. And it's also because most of the world has brown eyes, and that's what would look good on them. But I don't know. A lot of professionals think that blue eyes really pop with warm tones. But I think it's a matter of preference, you know? It also depends on what mood you're in, too, you know? Okay, so I just did like the outside part of my eye and then brought it up and over. I don't like to go too far. I was watching somebody's video the other day and I noticed that they had taken the crease shade all the way over, and I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks, but you know, you do you. You do it the way that you like, but I don't like it all the way over. All right, I'm gonna shut off the camera and do the other eye to try to save a few seconds here. Okay, next I'm gonna switch back to the other side of the brush and dip it in the soft brown. And I'm just gonna take it under the eye, and that's mixing because there was already woodwinked on the brush. So we're getting a little bit of woodwinked and we're getting a little bit of soft brown. Like that. Okay. And for my highlight shade, I'm going to use Shroom because this is my favorite MAC highlight color. So I'm just going to use this Moda brush to apply some of that as my brow bone highlight. And my inner corner. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara because, oh, what a difference that makes. Be right back. Okay, so what do you think? Are you a fan of MAC Woodwinked and Soft Brown and Shroom together? I really like this combo. And thank you so much for watching today and following and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.